Okay, and just to finish up what we were working on, we're going to find the volume of this cone. And of course, this, maybe you don't remember these formulas, but you can certainly look on that sheet I gave you from last week. But the volume of a cone is pi r squared times h divided by 3. So the cone has a radius of 3 and a height of 4. So this will turn out to be 12 pi. And that's approximately 37.7 units. And this is cubed because it's a volume. The surface area, again, that's not a formula maybe you have memorized, which is fine. You can just use the formula for the surface area. Sometimes I put SA for surface area. And that is pi r squared, I'm sorry, no, not pi r, pi r times r plus the square root of the height, which was 4 squared, plus the radius, which was 3, and it was squared as well. Now, you can do that off to the side. Hopefully you're kind of recognizing that's a triple. 16 plus 9 is 25, so that's going to equal 5. So the surface area of this thing is going to be pi times 3. 3 plus 5, that's going to be 8 times 3 is 24. And that is approximately 75.4 units squared. Okay, then we're done. So that is awesome. Some good stuff. I know some of this is a little hard, especially when we're doing e-learning, but you guys are A level, so you're smarty pants. You can do it.